Here's the big change. From old and broken to a billionaire house premium mansion. Clean, modern, and ready for a new life. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the final reveal tour. We start with severe interior damage, structural cracks, moisture exposure, and outdated materials. These conditions not only affect aesthetics, but also long-term durability and safety. The first step in any high-end renovation is clearing the space. Removing debris and damaged elements allows designers to reset the foundation and prepare for a premium rebuild. Here, surfaces are restored using modern techniques. Cracks are sealed, and outdated textures are replaced with durable, architect-designed finishes that improve both function and visual appeal. Now the space evolves into a premium living environment. Carefully selected furniture, lighting, and materials are added to create a balanced, high-end interior designed for comfort and elegance. This space starts in complete structural failure. Rusted surfaces, broken cabinetry, and moisture damage. Before any luxury upgrade, professionals assess safety, layout, and material integrity. Outdated cabinets are replaced with premium, high-end matte finishes. Clean lines and precision installation are key to achieving a modern luxury aesthetic. The centerpiece of any luxury kitchen, the marble island. This architect-designed feature adds both function and a strong visual statement. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated for performance and design. Every detail is engineered for a premium, efficient cooking experience. This space starts with severe moisture damage, cracked tiles, mold buildup, and failing plumbing. Old materials are removed and replaced with premium marble surfaces. Precision leveling and sealing ensure durability.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe!
While elevating the entire space to a luxury standard. A freestanding tub becomes the centerpiece, an architect-designed feature that defines both comfort and visual impact in a modern, high-end bathroom. Frameless glass enclosures and precision fixtures create a clean, spa-like environment. Every detail is engineered for both performance and premium aesthetics. This space begins in total disrepair, structural wear, damaged furniture, and poor lighting conditions. The first step in any high-end renovation is inspection, safety checks, and planning the layout for comfort and efficiency. The foundation of a luxury bedroom is the bed. A modern king-size frame is installed with premium materials, creating both structural stability and a high-end visual centerpiece. Walls are refined with smooth finishes and neutral tones, while lighting shifts from cold to warm. This architect-designed balance enhances mood, comfort, and overall spatial quality. Smart lighting and carefully selected decor elevate the space. Every detail, from textures to placement, is designed to achieve a premium, cohesive environment. Broken shelving, poor lighting, and inefficient layout. Every high-end renovation begins with inspection, measurement, and planning for maximum storage efficiency. Custom built-in wardrobes are installed using premium materials. Clean lines and precise alignment create a high-end, architect-designed storage system. Lighting defines luxury. Integrated LED strips highlight each section, improving visibility while adding a modern, high-end atmosphere. A premium closet isn't just storage, it's presentation. Designer pieces are arranged for accessibility, symmetry, and a boutique-style experience. loose stones, unstable surfaces, and structural risks. Every high-end renovation begins with inspection, load assessment, and safety preparation. The surface is rebuilt using premium wood decking. Precision leveling ensures durability while creating a clean, high-end foundation for the space. Frameless glass railings are installed for safety without blocking the view. This architect-designed feature maximizes openness and luxury. High-end elements like a fire pit, lounge seating, and greenery transform the space into a premium outdoor living area. This space begins with uneven ground, structural cracks, and poor drainage. Every high-end pool project starts with inspection, measurement, and defining the exact layout for stability and water flow. The ground is excavated and shaped into a precise structure. A solid foundation is critical for a premium, long-lasting infinity pool. Surfaces are refined, and the infinity edge is carefully engineered. This architect-designed feature creates the illusion of water blending into the horizon. Water filling begins while high-end features like lighting and lounge areas are installed. Every detail enhances both function and premium aesthetics. After the rain, the real work begins. The place looks tired and damaged. Workers start by cleaning and setting up. This step is important to make the house safe before building. Broken walls are fixed, cracks are sealed, strong materials are added. This makes the house stable again. A high-end home always starts with a strong structure. Old windows are replaced with large, modern glass. This brings in more light and makes the space feel open and premium. The outside design changes step by step. Old materials become smooth stone and glass. Lighting is added. Now it starts to look like a real luxury, architect-designed home. Here's the big change. From old and broken to a billionaire house premium mansion. Clean, modern, and ready for a new life. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the final reveal tour. This video uses AI-generated visuals to bring this concept to life. All designs, values, and transformations are estimates based on similar real-world properties. This is a conceptual visualization created for educational and entertainment purposes. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.